Okay, this doesn't even have a box on it. Let's see what it is. Styrofoam packing. Probably is a seam we can just cut. Oh, that's the top. We had it upside down. I always do these upside down.
Well, the code.
No, I know. That's probably why we're. Very cool. Just slit this. Just slit right. I hope it's the one I think it is. Another stick. Probably. Poor dog. Ooh. So. Oh, you know what this is? This is Ellison's car. So this is a 1/16 scale. I believe the Envo or whatever. Let's see what else is in here. So it was kind of just sitting in there.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool though. That's pretty cool. I like the way the body is.
I do too. I like the Ellison got all the colors.
Okay, a little bouncy, but they are better shocks than we saw on that other car. Smaller wheels though.
Now what? Is this?
I don't know how the
clips are.
Yeah, I don't know.
Just like flip or?
I don't know. I don't know anything about this car. So, oh wow, that's pretty cool.
Yes, I saw it up too. Now the controller feels very cheap.
Yeah. Are these magnets? Huh. Hold on a minute.
I'll hold it if you want.
Okay. So it looks like the wing's not on there. So this is the 1/16 monster truck. Forget who makes it. I got it from AliExpress. These are the Viper and the Bison. Very limited. Maybe the body's in it.
I know she likes going up there. When she wants to be alone, she goes in there.
Oh, it's Velcro.
Oh, that's
it's
good.
just Velcro.
That's nice.
That's
and
kind of
easy.
cool.
Ooh, that's a weird looking.
Yeah. So the intention is for a child on these guys.
Well, that looks like it protects all the innards with this. So.
But it's supposed to be a pretty decent system. Yeah. It's not bad. It looks kind of similar size-wise to our
other truck,
our other gantry. So we'll do a comparison of the two at some point. But that's cool. They got the posts in there with Velcro.
Yeah.
And the I can't explain it, but the Lexan is a lot thicker than the last couple cars we've gotten. It's a little narrower cab, but feel how thick.
Oh yeah, that is like way thicker.
And it seems to have.
I'm excited to try this out.
Yeah, I know.
If it's durable, it'll be perfect for Ellison.
Yeah, it will be. That's the whole intention. Is
good for kids.
Yeah, it's for. Yeah, plus it's pretty colors.
Yeah.
So we got some stickers to put on it. It's a Viper. SUBIDA. Comes with one battery, standard size. I got a lot of these.
Cool. Even that like type.
It's a lithium ion. It's not a lithium polymer, so it's going to be a little slow off the get go. But we'll run it through the ringers.
Well, with kids, it also is better for it to be a little slower because they're not very good at controlling them too well.
Yeah, give them a little time.
Yeah.
So, but I dig it. The tires are they're real stiff. So this is not like. I probably would say the gantry's a better model for the price right off the muscle because of the stuff, but because of the you know, the quality of the tires, and this is more of a toy grade than a hobby grade. But it I mean, it probably shares a lot of the same dog bones and stuff. It's pretty nice. It has all the things you want. It's got the wider tops, just like the gantry does. We'll have to run them together. All right. Well, I think that's where we're at for now. I'll just do a quick close up, and then we'll pick up where we left off. Oh, controller. We gotta explain that too. So, controller is, it's got your steering trim, your steering, your throttle, damper, your standard trigger, and there's on off on the handle. Oh wait, that's probably lights. So, and power buttons on the top. How many double A's does this take? 3 double A's looks like. So yeah, let me go get the battery charged up. We'll take a little closer look and get her running. Maybe compare it to the gantry. Look at the two side by side. All right, trying a different camera angle today. So that's where we're at. This is we'll take a little closer look at this little rig. I got this from AliExpress. It's a S190A, purple one. They say it does 50 kilometers an hour. We'll do a speed test on it at some point to see if it's true or not true. I think the company's name is SUBIDA. It's S-U-B-I-D-A. Their model number is S909. It's a 116 four-wheel drive. It's supposed to be in the WL class, I guess. Now, this casing might be misleading because I did a quick rip while I was at work today or at the farm. I didn't really take it off-road or nothing, just something in the barn. And she handled real nice. Now, it's kind of neat how these shocks work. They got little guards. I'm not sure how well this is all going to hold up. We'll see once I get it out. Now, these shocks look like they could be oil-filled, but they're definitely friction shocks. But they're definitely friction shocks. They got the screw on the top. Telltale sign, too. Does have lights. Let's see. Let me show you that while I'm sitting here. Oh, gotta get the right controller. Now, there is no on-off switch, which I thought was weird. It's just plug it in. I don't see any on-off anywhere. So you just plug it in and then turn that on. So, see, they're not horribly bright. I think the gantries are nicer. But they're not bad. It's just on-off, nothing special. I like the chassis design. So I like it. Reminds me of some of the big boys, the 1/8 scale and the 1/5 scales. It does have different swing arms. They're kind of nice. So far, it hasn't fallen apart yet. It's all plastic. It's got a little bit sturdier tops. Now, the intention for this, again, this is for my niece. She's 9, so this is perfect age for her. So I can't beat it up too much before she gets to drive it. She's supposed to be, it stays with us, but she gets to use, this is her car when she's here. So that's just so if it breaks, then I can fix it. Now, looks like, yeah, let's see what kind of motor it says it has. Yeah, 390 brush motor. That's what I thought. Seems to run pretty good though. It says it can do a 45-degree slope. So it's trying to market itself as a crawler, but this to me reads fashionable all day, especially with this body. It's really strong. Pretty impressed comparatively. So, but let me give her a little. So the controller's kind of neat. They got this little flash there, but I think this is made for kids. This is not. Batteries, we ran it, so that's about all she does. I'm guessing maybe 15 to 18 miles an hour, probably 16. But this battery's dead, so let me hook a different battery up to it. So it's got a little more punch to it. These are the ones that come with the Piranha. I mean, that light got brighter, that's for sure. Let's turn that on. Back on. Now, one thing I was pretty impressed with is the steering. It's pretty, I'm not sure you even need to worry about that servo. I haven't looked inside under the case yet to see if it's a 3-pin, but honestly, I don't see this being upgraded. This is just, it is what it is. It's about the same price point as a gantry. It's under 60 bucks. Got it from the same place I got the gantry from. But I mean, that's it. That's all she built. It's not a speed demon, but it's a nice little rig for beginners. It's a good one to have around for somebody who's never driven before. They can beat the crap out of it. Boys liked it today, even though it's purple. But like I said, this is intended for my niece, so yeah. I'll get some footage tomorrow, even if it is raining. Get it out and do a quick rip. So yeah, but all in all, I think for the price is right. It's good. It's gonna handle. It's gonna hold up. Wltoys, I'll give it a good week's worth of bashing and do a real review on it. But that's kind of just a closer look right out the box. Now this battery's kind of not very impressive. It's 1100. This is a polymer, so that was a little faster, but it is what it is. They only come with one battery. It's in a foam box. The instructions are garbage. It's 2 pages, so you don't expect anything. There was no extras. It is what it is. So personally, for the price, I'd probably go with the gantry. It's faster. It's funner. The controller seems better. The lights are better. But if, like in my case, this is probably ideal for the 9-year-old. You know, over 14, this is just not going to be good enough. Not unless you're just trying to destroy it. I can see this being a disposable car that you just launch the crap out of and see how it goes. Looks like it's got a center dog bone that is in there. You can kind of see that there's a center the hex one, just like the EC30s. And the dog bones and CV joints look like the EC30s or the gantries. He uses very similar ones too. Anyways, that's about all I got on this. Hopefully I can splice that into something that's what do they call that? Intelligible or whatever. Anyways, yeah. All in all, I think it's a decent rig. I need a little more time on it before I give a decent review, but that's the unbox, and that's what you get. Yeah, we'll see where it goes. You can see the center drive, which that bothers me that wire's sitting there. Again, I think this is intended for children. It's just on the edge of hobby grade. And the shocks are, that'd be an upgrade, but I don't think this, I wouldn't even spend a dime on upgrading this. It is what it is. Yeah. So here's our S909. It's the 1/16 scale, 390 brush. It's on the edge of toy grade. I'm going to give it a quick rip so you get a first look. Then we'll get a speed test on it later and give a little durability test. I got a feeling this is going to be super durable. That's the big thing. This is good for little kids.
Not real fast, but it ain't stopping. Hit the grass, see how it does in the grass. It's wet grass. Yeah, it's gonna have trouble. Now, I don't know how good this battery is. No. Yeah. Well, it's thick grass. Right now it's early spring. We only had one cut on the grass. Look how tall that is. Let's go hit the jump real quick. It goes through that all right. Let's see what we've been doing. Seems to run real good. Does it steer all right? Because that's the one thing. Yeah. It's touchy. Oh. Pretty cool. I dig it. It's a nice little truck. It's not as peppy as the gantry, but it's not really meant to be. You know, this is kind of like your. Honestly, we got this for Ellison, so for the person who's getting it, this is perfect. She can't break it. Well, we'll find out. We'll put it through the ringer. Footage. Really quiet motor. Yeah, you're having trouble with steering, huh? So yeah, steering and suspension, like all these, but I'm not sure I'd upgrade this at all, you know? Again, the intended user is not your expert. This is your beginner, your starter car, you know? You're buying it for the colors. Footage. We'll also get it out with the other. We'll get it out with the other 116s we got, and we'll have a little race to see how they do. Whoa, wheelie! So it definitely does wheelies. Oh, it does them easy. A wheelie bar comes on it, so you don't have to put it on or nothing. Yeah. That's cool. This thing could probably do some cool tricks, you know? We got to build our little jump ramp. That's the next thing. You know, one for flips instead of these launch ramps. Ha! That's a little wet today, so keep that in mind. It's been raining nonstop. It's the first break we've had. Boink. Yeah, all in all, I like this little rig. What? Yeah. We dig it. Stop taking off. Yeah. I dig it. We'll see how well it holds up, but that's our first look. Check back to see what we think.